What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? Another beautiful day in Mark's Motorsports. So what's going on today is bringing you another unboxing. What do we got here? Actually, we're not even gonna look at that yet. What you gotta do first before you can see this is go to the website, grab yourself some merch. You know what I'm saying? KingJaffeJoe413.com. Get yourself a shirt, a hoodie, a hat. You know what I'm saying? The things you buy from us help us give you more better giveaways. You know what I'm saying? Without, you know what I'm saying? Because like literally, me doing all these giveaways, me and D weren't rolling on 3 giving all these giveaways, you know what I'm saying? Starting to run our pockets a little dry, you know what I'm saying? So by you buying stuff from the merchandise, it's helping us bring more stuff to you. You know what I'm saying? You spend $20 and you win a $200 helmet, it's a no-brainer. All right, guys, so back to the regular schedule program. So what we got today is, this one, I don't think I've seen a video on this. It's the skid plates. Skid plates for the Ryker, you know what I'm saying? They go underneath your Ryker. So if you got a rally, and if you got the rally for the reason that you thought you were gonna go off-roading, hit dirt roads, you live somewhere with a lot of dirt roads, this might be one of the things you need. If you're not doing like off-roading, you still might need one of these because you never know. You hit a pothole, you hit some dirt, you might hit a piece of rock, a stick or something. You got a couple sensors underneath your bike. That's what this is here to do. Protect that so that you don't end up with your bike at marks inside the shop. You know what I'm saying? If you want to hit marks up, you want to be calling because you want to get more upgrades. You don't want to be calling marks to make an appointment to have them fix your bike. But they do that if you need it done. You know what I'm saying? So, but you don't got their number? Here it is right here. So what we're gonna do is bust this box open and see what we got here. I think I might actually even purchase these today because I think I want these. So what we're gonna do is hit you with the part number one more time. Got that part number there. So let's bust this box open and see what we got in here, guys. Let's see what this is looking like. All right, so as soon as we get in the box, we got some plastic wrap, we got some instructions, and we got some hardware. All right, so instructions, you already know. Go to the website, www.instructionsbrp.com, and that's where you're gonna find the instructions for this. They actually have pictures, words, and there's a video sometimes. Sometimes there's like a link for a video. All right, so looking at it, we got a couple screws. We got one big screw, and we got a couple of things that you loop things. I don't know what they are, and I don't know where they go. But that's what comes in the box so far for hardware. All right, for the actual product. Okay. So we got one skid plate here. I think this one goes toward the front, which is this big bolt. It looks like this big bolt is gonna go through there, go straight up. But I like how that looks. It's same durable construction as the A-arms. Looking at it, the A-arms had no welds in it. The A-arms were all bent to how they need to be. This has a couple welds in it. Welds look good to me. You know what I'm saying? I used to do a little weld in the back of my day when I was young, a young buck. So these welds look good to me. Look like a lot better than I would have did. I used to have a little bubbly welds. And so this is a 2-piece set that you're getting when you purchase the kit from Mark's Motorsports. You grab the kit. All right, there we go. We got 2 pieces there. So I'm not sure if they go this way, because I didn't look at the instructions yet myself, and I haven't installed one yet just myself. But if you guys want me to do an install video for this, you make sure you let me know down in the comments, and we'll get you an install video ASAP. Protection. That's one thing that you always want to do with your Ryker. Anything that can protect your bike, you want to get. You know what I'm saying? If everyone's getting speakers and lights and wraps, well, wrap kind of protects your bike, you know what I'm saying? It kind of protects it, but speakers and lights. Everyone's buying all this money on that, but make sure you protect your Ryker. I know all you guys seen radiators getting hit. Everyone's messing up the radiators. We haven't seen no sensors on the bottom get hit yet, but I'm guaranteeing you it's probably happened, because I don't think BRP is just gonna start making stuff without having a reason to make it. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to get underneath there. I don't have it bike lifted up, so I don't think we're gonna be able to get underneath there and hold it up, but
you just have to buy it and do an install video.
Yeah, just gonna have to buy it and do an install video and see how this works, because right now, looking at the pieces and looking at the hardware, it actually has me curious as how this goes. Looks solid. Looks like it'll do what it need to do. If you guys need one of these, you hit up Marks Motorsports. They're gonna give you the best price. You know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna get cash back. You know what I'm saying? They got the point system. You're gonna get, so you spend like $100, you get like $5 back, $1, $3. It don't matter. Free money is money. So. I hear some of you guys online, I see some of you guys online talking about, like, you know what I'm saying, you're looking for something, like, oh, any coupon codes around for this part? When you call Marks Motorsports, you don't need a coupon code, because they're going to give you money back no matter what, all right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, I hope you guys like this video, you know what I'm saying? What we're going to do is, before we end this one, we're going to show you a little bit, we're going to give you a little walk around Marks again, because if you forgot, we're going to show y'all what they got. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions or you want to see anything else that they have here, leave it down in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I'll make sure we come back here and get to the specific thing that you saw in the video that you want to see. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see in the back, y'all see the new spider in the back right there sitting pretty. Woo-wee, I just sat on that, thinking about trading in my Ryker. All right, guys, so until the next one, peace.